Good morning, students. Myself Vijay Kumar, mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Student, today I discuss some basic problem of the examples of the eliminations, exercise 13b. So, dear students, be careful and see how we can solve the examples of exercise 13b examples. Question number first of the examples, that is, if x is equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta, comma y is equal to a cos theta minus b sin theta. Prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Dear students, LHS is x square plus y square. So your first work is write LHS, that is x square and plus y square. The value of x is given, so substitute their value. Plus y square, value of y is given, substitute their value. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So write the formula a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I write here a square b square plus 2ab plus it is a minus b whole square. So I write here a square plus b square minus 2ab. You see here it is 2ab and it is 2ab, both are same, but one is positive sign, other is negative sign, so this will be cancelled. So what remain, you have a sin theta whole square, that is a square sin square theta, b cos theta whole square, that is b square cos square theta, a cos theta whole square, that is a square cos square theta, and b sin theta whole square, b square sin square theta. Now a square sin square theta and a square cos square theta, right, one place. Another is b cos square theta and b sin square theta, right, other place. Now you can take common a square. So you write common a square, then brackets sin square plus cos square. Similarly, in the two terms, common is b square. So remain with cos square plus sin square. The first identity is sin square plus cos square is 1 plus b square, it is also 1. Then RHS is a square plus b square, and that is proved. That's A of example 13b. Question is that if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root mn. First write LHS. LHS is m square minus n square. So you write here m square minus n square. Now substitute the value of m. What is m? M is tan theta plus sin theta. So write here tan theta plus sin theta whole square minus, write minus here, n square, value tan theta minus sin theta square. Now squaring, this is a plus b whole square. So here is a square, b square plus 2ab minus, write in the bracket. So it is a square plus b square, it is minus 2. Now remove the brackets, here is negative sign, so change the all sign. So you write tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta into sin theta. Here is minus, so it is minus tan square theta minus sin square theta. Here is minus 2 tan theta sin theta. So now it is plus 2 tan theta sin theta. Then sin square minus, here sin square plus, this tan square plus and this tan square minus, cancel. Then you have remain only two terms. One is 2 tan theta sin theta, another is 2 tan theta sin theta. Then you add it and you get 4 tan theta into sin theta. It is equation first, it is LHS. Now we solve RHS is 4 under root mn. So write here 4 at the m tan theta plus sin theta and n tan theta minus sin theta. Here is 4. Now it is a plus b and a minus b. Then a square minus b square. At the place of a is tan and place of b is sin. So it is a plus b and a minus b. Then I write here a square minus b square. Next step, this is tan square theta and it is equal to sin square by cos square and minus sin square theta. Here write 1, no anything. So now take LCM, cos square and 1, that is cos square cos square divided by cos square 1 into sin square, that is sin square, minus 1 divided get cos square, then it is sin square into cos square, then it is sin square into cos square. Next step, here is 4, we take sin square common, then here remain 1 and minus, here remain only cos square by cos square theta. 4 under root, this is sin square by cos square and this is 1 minus cos square converted into sin square. So what is the value of sin square cos square? That is tan square theta, and this is sin square theta. This is under root, so it is square will be cancelled with root, then it is 4 tan theta into sin theta, second equation, and it is RHS, so LHS is RHS are equal. Questions number 4 of example 13b, that is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m, so that m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. We have given m is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So first write numerator. Numerator is m square minus 1. So write there m square minus 1. Now substitute the value of m, that is sec theta plus tan theta whole square. That is the value of m square minus 1. It is a plus b whole square. So we write here a square, then sec square plus b square, that is tan square, plus 2ab, 2 into sec into tan minus 1. Next, this is sec square and minus 1 write with sec square. Then it is sec square minus 1 plus tan square plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Sec square minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. It is second identity, and plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. This tan square and tan square you get 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Now we take 2 tan common. So what is remain here? Here remains tan theta and plus here remains sec theta. So first equation is 1 and it is equal to m square minus 1. Now m square plus 1 is equal to, at the value of m is sec plus tan, then sec plus tan whole square plus 1. This is a plus b whole square, so I write here a square, that is sec square, plus b square, that is tan square, plus 2 sec into tan plus 1. Now 1 write with tan square. So we write here sec square plus 1 plus tan square plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. What you get here is sec square, but 1 plus tan square theta is also sec square theta. So we write use identities here, that is a plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Now sec square plus sec square, that is 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Now we take 2 sec theta common, then it is sec theta plus tan theta, that is equation second. Now this substitute the value of, in this equation, m square minus 1, m square minus 1 by m square plus 1. It is equal to 2 tan theta by tan theta plus sec theta, and here is m square plus 1, 2 sec theta tan theta plus sec theta. This cancel, this 2 cancel. This is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and this sec theta is 1 by cos theta. What you get? You get here sin theta by cos theta into cos theta by 1. Then cos cancel. Then we get here sin theta remain, and that is proved. You have to prove sin theta. That's exercise 13. 7 is, if sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, then prove that cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1. How you write? First given is sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Then sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, because this is plus sin square, go this side, it is minus sin square. But this is sin theta and it is changed into cos square theta. Now you have to cos 4, so squaring both sides. Then you write sin square theta and it is cos 4 theta. because squaring both sides, then write this sine square, because the square of sine is sine square and the square of cos square is cos 4, and it is the value of 1 minus cos square theta, and it is cos 4 theta. So 1 is equal to cos 4 theta, and this is minus cos square, go this side, that is cos square theta, and it is proved you have to cos square plus cos 4 is equal to 1, that is RHS.